me introduce myself. This is Priyanka, host for this session. So firstly, I would just like to mention all of you that you all are the stars, rather I should say the superstars of Sonata. Because Sonata is absolutely incomplete without you all. The kind of hard work, rather immense hard work and the dedication that you all have given us since many, many years, that needs a very big round of applause. First, you please give yourself a very big round of applause. And since we have our superstars with us, so we are actually, we can say that we are so proud of you all. Indeed, it's a matter of great pride to have you all in the sales team. So once again, thank you so much on behalf of Sonata from the bottom of my heart. It's absolutely an informal kind of session that we're going to have. You know that we all have gathered here for a team building and a leadership kind of a workshop. Are you aware of that? Great, great. Well, Mahi, we welcome you here, and it's a great pleasure to have you with us. Here we have the brand ambassador and the Indian cricket team captain, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, with us. Well, Mahi, I just want to ask you, you have led the Indian team. Okay, so what I was asking, you have led the Indian team through some of its very precious moments. So how do you feel about it? And was it really difficult for you to make decisions on spot when you're already there in the pitch, when you have some tough situations going on the team or maybe while you're playing?
It's a pleasure to be here to start it off. And as far as decision making is concerned, it has been a real pleasure because, I've been blessed with players who are really good. We have got a mix of experience and the youngsters who are fresh and fast on the field. And the best part, all of them are very motivated. So, that makes the task a bit easy.
And out of my curiosity, I just want to ask you after this question, many of the times you face criticism. So how do you handle, because many of the times we'll say, no, because of Dhoni only, he's the captain, whatever, not in case of you only, but we have witnessed that with other captains too. Well, they are sometimes being criticized. So when even you are being criticized, how do you handle that?
Well, first of all, not watching television, especially news channel, really helps you. But,
okay.
We are in favor of constructive criticism. That's one thing that helps you improve as a cricketer, as a human being. Mm-hmm. But also, you don't have to watch each and everything, what each and every individual is saying.
So you have to decide actually what is right and what is wrong for you.
Yes,
right?
Because especially in India, everybody has opinion when it comes to our sport. Maybe you guys, everybody won't have an opinion, but with us, everybody knows how to play cricket, at his own level, and he thinks that's how it should be played at the top level. So what we felt is, the moment you see a headline like "Sher Hue Dher," you don't need to watch that. Because that's more entertainment than you.
Absolutely, this is more of entertainment.